Good afternoon, grade 9s. How are you today? Are you okay? Welcome to Social Sciences. I'm your teacher, Miss Rumbi. Are you good today? I hope you're fine, all of you, wherever you are. Please be safe. Okay, stay indoors, sanitize, practice social distancing. You have to be safe, okay? I'm good. Cleo, how are you? Kwezi, how are you? I can see other people are late today. They're still coming in. Hello, Tando, how are you? I'm fine. Ah, that's good if you're okay. Okay, let's proceed. I was just waiting for other people to arrive. It's fine, they'll catch us on. Hello, Pulani, how are you? I'm good. Okay, so just a reminder on the assessment on Thursday for social sciences. I'm going to assess you on the following two topics: for history, World War II, and for geography, map skills. Have you started going through World War II, grade 9? Remember, we did World War II in week 1. Have you gone through World War II as part of your revision? Grade 9s? Have you gone through World War II revision? Amraya, oh, that's good. Others, did you go through World War II? Tando, why not? You don't want to prepare for the test. Remember, the test will be based on those two topics, World War II and map skills. Make sure you revise on World War II, okay? Grade 9. Okay, Tando, all right, I understand. Okay, you'll start today, that's good. Just design a study timetable for yourself so that you can manage all the subjects, okay? All right, so we proceed. What did you do yesterday? We looked at contour lines. You remember yesterday? We did contour lines. So remember, guys, the topic that you are doing this week for map skills, I'm going to assess you on this on Thursday. The topic that we're doing now for map skills that we started yesterday, I'm going to assess you on Thursday. Okay. All right, let's move on. Did you do your homework? Did you do your homework? Do you have your homework with you? You're supposed to define those words. Let's start with A. What is a spur? What is a spur? Can I have your answers? 1A. Cleo, correct. Pulani, correct. Oh, that's very good. Grade 9s. You did your homework. Others? 1A. What is a spur? So I only got 2 people. From Amraya, correct. Projection from a mountain or mountain range. That's correct. Let's move on to B. You can type B. From Kwezi. No, Kwezi, that definition is wrong. You were describing the contour line. I want the definition of a spur. Pulani for question B, correct. Well done. I'm waiting for answers for B. What is a slope? From Cleo. That's correct. So just mark your work as we go through. Amraya. That's correct. And then we'll go to C while I wait for others to type their answers for A and B. C, what is a conical hill? Conical hill. From Pulani. That's correct. Amraya. Correct. Oh, this is good. Keep it up. So that is question C. A hill which has the shape of a cone. Good. Cleo. Correct. A hill which has the shape of a cone. We go to D. Contour interval. What is a contour interval? Your answer, Cleo, for D. May you please try to be specific? You just said space between two things. From Amraya, the distance or difference in elevation between contour lines, correct? From Tando, it's it's conical hill, Tando. Typing error there. It's a landform shaped as a cone. Okay, that's correct. Pulani for D is the difference in meters between two adjacent contour lines. That's correct, Pulani. Keep your answers coming in, others. And then we go to E, contour lines. Amraya, a line on a map joining points of equal height above or below the sea level. Okay, that's correct. For E, what did you write? Are lines on a map that connect places with the same altitude or height above sea level. They never cross each other. Pulani, that's correct. E. From Cleo, line on a map which joins point of equal gradient. That's correct, Cleo. And then F. Bring your answers for F. Gradient. Sinolwazi, the degree of slope in a feature. That's correct. Pulani, correct. Cleo, correct. Ambraya, correct for F. Well done, grade 9. Keep it up, doing your homework, okay? I'm impressed. Okay, let's move on. So we're done with our revision for the homework. Today's topic, we're going to look at the 1:10,000 Autophoto maps. Do you still remember Autophoto maps? From term 1, do you still remember Autophoto maps? What do you remember about them? Is there anyone who remembers the Autophoto maps? What are they? Okay, so that is what we are going to focus on today. It's just a revision of what you did in term 1, okay? So if you know the answer, you can type. I'll see it through the lesson. Sinolwazi, that's correct. An orthophoto map is an image made from aerial photograph. They can be used to measure distances like how we would measure a street. Okay, combination of aerial and vertical photographs. That's correct, Cleo. Kwezi, maps made from orthographic photos. Oh, that's correct. Cleo, they have no color. Okay. Let's proceed and see what is going on. The scale is 1:10,000. Yes, from Cleo, that's correct. They have more detail. Okay. I can see your answers, Cleo. That's good. What else about orthophoto maps that you remember? The contour interval is usually 5 meters. Okay. All right. Let's go through the lesson. So we're going to start by looking at vertical aerial photographs. Remember in grade 8, you did 2 types of aerial photographs. There are 2 types of aerial photographs: vertical aerial photograph and oblique aerial photographs. You still remember? So there's vertical and oblique. So we're going to focus on these the vertical aerial photographs, because that's where the orthophoto maps are made from. They are made from these vertical aerial photographs. So let's look at these first before we move on to orthophoto maps. These are photographs taken from the air by a large camera fixed on the floor of an aeroplane. That's why they are named vertical area. So the camera will be fixed just below the floor of an aeroplane. It flies directly above the photographed landscape. So maybe they want to take a photo of a certain settlement or an area. That aeroplane or helicopter will fly above that area and take a photo. So that photo is called a vertical aerial photograph. Okay. The camera is vertical to the ground at 90 degrees angle. You can see on this diagram on the right, the angle of the camera. So it's straight, vertical. So this is the aeroplane or helicopter. So the camera will be there on the floor of the aeroplane. And then the photo will be taken directly over the area or the landscape at 90 degrees angle, straight. Okay. These photos show settlements, landforms, and other features. So the photos that are taken, there are so many different on what is being taken. It can be a settlement, a residential area. It can be an industrial area, other landforms, maybe a mountain or the sea, or maybe they want to see what's happening in the ocean directly above on that particular section of the ocean. And other features such as what? A river, a lake, all the natural features that we know. And also the constructed features like settlements, buildings. So these photographs are taken above, directly above that particular landscape or landform, okay? They can be printed in black and white or colored. So usually they say black and white is cheaper than colored prints. So most of the Autophoto maps are in black and white most of the times because it is cheaper than colored prints. These photos have large scale than topographic maps. So they have a large scale compared to topographic maps. The topographic maps, we're going to focus on them tomorrow. Today we're doing Autophoto maps. So this is the information for vertical aerial photographs. We use these photos to make Autophoto maps. Okay. So just remember they are taken directly above the landscape at a 90-degree angle. Okay. All right. You can see here an example of the vertical aerial photograph taken directly above. So you can see here the buildings, other landforms here, maybe vegetation. You can see the roads. So they are taken directly above. Okay. And then we look at the Autophoto images, which are made from what? From aerial photographs. Orthophotos, so they can be called orthophotos, which means orthophoto images. Orthophotos are made from vertical aerial photographs. So always remember this, they are made from vertical aerial photographs. Map information is then added to Autophoto maps. So they take those Autophotos And then they add what? Map information. And they become orthophoto maps. So basically it's a map plus an aerial photograph combined, which gives us orthophoto map. So orthophoto map is a combination of a map and a photograph. Map and photograph, orthophoto. It is a larger scale than a topographic map. Height is shown in meters. Because aerial photographs are distorted when captured, the orthophoto images correct that distortion. What do we mean by distortion? So when these aerial photographs are taken by the aeroplane above, they're a little bit skewed, unclear, distorted. So these orthophoto images, they correct that distortion. They try to make it clear. Do you understand? Isn't we'll be using a map also. Blurry, yes, Pulani, that's correct. They are kind of blurry or distorted. So with the help of a map of that area, we're able to see clearly the information from that area or whatever the landscape, the landform that is being taken. Okay. So those are the orthophoto images. Are we together, grade 9s? Is it clear? Maybe I'm rushing. Are you understanding so far? Others? Pulani is saying yes. Others? Are we together? Or I'm just narrating a story? Oh, Kwezi, that's good. We're together. Cleo? Tando? Oh, you're writing. Tando, you're not using your phone. You're writing the notes. Okay. Okay, just a few seconds for Tando. So remember, orthophoto images are made from aerial photographs. Okay. It is a larger scale than a topographic map. Tando, can we move on? Okay. You're welcome. Okay, so this is an example of an orthophoto map. An example of an orthophoto map. You can see here. So they've combined what? The map and the aerial photograph that was taken to give us orthophoto maps. Do you understand? So when you have this, you're able to understand because the information from the map is there. You can see the contour lines, they're there. Even the names of the areas. We've got Settlers Park. So this is an area in Port Elizabeth. Okay, so it's showing us different places. We have St. George's Park there. You can see it. What else? The South End. Okay, So this photo was taken directly above, and then they combined with a map of that area. Oh, we are done. Our lesson for today was very short because we're focusing on orthophoto maps. So I hope you got something today. You learned something. Okay, grade 9. Let me just give you your homework. Please try to do your homework, okay? So there are only 4 questions. Define the following terms. A, orthophotos. B, vertical area photographs. C, digital mapping. So try to define in the way you remember in the exam, the way you understand. Number 2, name the scale of orthophoto maps. What is the scale of orthophoto maps? So if you are writing down the questions, please do so. If you are taking a screenshot, that's fine. Kwezi, you want it to be longer? I can do that. I can add more work for the lesson. Indicate for me when you're done. The quiz, we'll do it on Thursday. I'll prepare a quiz for you, okay? I'll prepare a quiz for you on Thursday. Okay, I can see you're done. Others? So just remember to prepare for your assessment, okay? Go through World War II. Do you want us to go through World War II again? Or you're fine? In the next lesson, should we go through World War II? Tando is saying no. Others? Do you feel like we should revise World War II? From Polani, yes. Tando, yes. Okay. Sinolwazi, yes. Okay. So tomorrow we're going to go through topographic maps, and then on Thursday we'll go through World War II. Okay. Are there any questions so far? So remember, your paper is combined history and geography, section A and section B on the same paper. Okay, so it was nice having you, grade 9s. I'll see you again tomorrow, same time. Do your homework, okay? And take care. Bye.